Let's walk through the death grant and funeral benefit calculator. When someone dies in Portugal, Social Security pays one-off support. This tool shows which benefit applies to your case, how much it pays in 2026, and how the death grant is shared among the family. The situation is already set to the death grant, for when the deceased paid into Social Security. First, the spouse group. The spouse or partner, plus any entitled ex-spouses. Let's enter one person. Next, the entitled descendants, children up to 18 or up to 25 if studying. Let's say there are 2 children. And the dependent ascendants, like parents or grandparents. They only count when there is no spouse and no descendants, so we'll leave 0. Instantly, the calculator shows the grant, €1,611, 3 times the social support index. Half goes to the spouse, and the other half splits equally between the 2 children, about €403 each. The breakdown below shows each group's share and the amount per person, and the note explains the rule applied and the 180-day deadline to claim. That's it. Switch the situation to the expense reimbursement or the funeral benefit, and everything updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.